Check out this 2015 Dodge Challenger. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, rear spoiler, daytime running lights and automatic headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.